how's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. This video would be a quick market update video based on yesterday's market analysis, the previous market analysis. Basically, in my previous market analysis from 7th July, when everyone was bullish right here, I was the only influencer who clearly predicted that we are not bullish anymore in market and we are bearish. So from here, following my analysis, BTC dropped by 10%. And right here, after the CPI data was announced, 9.1%, each and every influencer was extremely bearish due to this week right here. But I clearly and confidently told you guys in my YouTube video that we are not bearish. We might see a possible bounce in market. What was the reason? I had told you that much liquidity lies above this trend line and perfectly followed my analysis BTC. So there are some experts, the noobs, that basically pass hating comments on my videos. So basically this stuff is I know this stuff is new for you, but those people who don't understand my analysis, so no need to watch my videos. You can just go and watch those analyzers or those experts who give you two direction moves and who trade chart patterns and indicators. But basically I don't like trade like those your experts do, but I have my own trading strategies and my own trading style. So if you want my if you like my updates, you can. Otherwise you do not pay me for the videos I make this for you guys. Okay, so this is my VIP Discord, which we traded with our VIPs from 3rd July. With my VIPs, I traded basically 13 signals from 3rd July. We traded BTC because I have much grip on BTC and I know I can give my VIPs more profit if I trade only BTC. Okay, so out of these 13 signals, we hit two stop losses. The one is just minus 12% loss with 30x leverage, and the other is minus 10% loss with 30x leverage. So total we made 598% profit. This is actually guaranteed profits because for each and every one signal, I analyzed the market 24 to 36 hours. Okay, so these were guaranteed profits. If you invested $100 with us from basically from 3rd July till now, you would have $600 in your account. So there is no another group like they make profits like us. They give 200 calls in a week, but with poor risk management, and you get their one stop loss gets you liquidated. Okay, so this beside this, we traded spot as well, like PNT, that gave us 28% profit in 2 days. Cause this was our today's spot trade, which gave us 5% profit. Beside this, we traded with our VIP. This was our signal. We went short on BTC yesterday from exact top 21,200 while everyone was bullish. So we made 60% profit with 20x leverage in this trade. Jasmine, we made just 3%. DAR, we made 12% profit. Non-leverage OM, this was actually a rebuy setup. After this, we add Firo, basically which pumped by 700%, and I had told you that we are trading Firo with our VIPs. So besides this is my gain section where these guys post their PNL. See, this guy made 22 USD profit, and this guy made again $50 profit, and so this guy again made $48 profit, etc. So this is how my VIPs save money with us with our proper risk management and proper guidance. Okay, so if you also want to join me on VIP, you can tell me and I will DM me on Discord or DM me on Twitter. I will let you know what's the criteria. So what's the possible move right now in market? Basically BTC is now trading on 21,050. So what can we expect right now is we might see a possible test of this order block, which just got tested. Okay, this was actually my update that BTC price can test this order block. Why it will test this order block? Because here lies area of inefficiency according to lower time frames. Then we might see a reversal either from this zone. We can see reversal from this zone as far as this high is protected. If price breaks this equal high, then we might see a possible bounce up and then a retest of the order block which will be formed right here, and then we might see a possible bounce in price. But if this mystery box which is still now getting respected, if it's respected in future as well, then we might see a drop in price towards this area, which actually is an order block right here, and we have area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance right here. So liquidity lies obviously above this high and at this order block right here. So telling you again what can be the possible moves if price respects this box right here, 21,200, then we might see a drop in price towards this order block or this area of inefficiency. But if price fails to hold above below this zone, then we might see a possible break and break, which will be actually a break of these two equal highs. Then we might see a small drop in price, which would be test of this order block. Then we will continue the bullish momentum. So these are the two scenarios which might be possible in price, but personally I am expecting if price respects this area, then we might see a possible drop in price, because currently we don't have any volume in market. Obviously it's weekend and this bounce can be pretty much fake, but this bounce if breaks this high, then we might continue the bullish momentum in price. Okay, so this was BTC USD analysis based on 4-hour time frame. Hope you it's clear for you to predict the next move. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join me on Telegram if you want free trading signals. Thank you very much.